Hello and welcome to Legacy High School. I'm Paul Black, principal here. We got off to a great start. Our school's been super. Kids have been great. All of our programs are up and running. Teachers are teaching in the classroom. But after 18 months, there's been a big gap in learning. So as teachers, we're going to have to take a step back. We're going to reteach, reset, and maybe reinvent some education. But we're going to need your help. We're going to need your help with supporting our students. We're going to need your help supporting our teachers. We're going to need to make sure that we're in this together. 18 months has been a long time for your students not to be here in school. So we have to backtrack and make up for that time. Here at Legacy, we're devoted to your students. We want to make sure every one of our students gets the best education they have. The future of our students depend upon us, but they also depend upon you. Supporting your teachers, supporting our schools, supporting our program is a two-way street. We're going to take care of your students here on campus, but you need to take care of them when they're at home. Support us, work with us. We need to make sure your students are here every day on time. Our school starts, and we really need them here by at least 8:40 so they can make it to class on time. We need them here. Every day is crucial for us to make sure we close this gap on learning. Again, I'm Paul Black, principal here at Legacy High School. I'm glad to be here. We're proud to be Titans. And remember, Titans strong, can't go wrong.